Hello everybody, Mountain RC here. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and as always, I appreciate all of the support. In today's video, we are featuring the Eflite EC1500. I did it in a custom German paint scheme for my brother-in-law. This came in a standard kind of gray. He was having a hard time seeing it, especially as he was coming in for a landing. So I gave it a paint job that looks pretty cool. It looks pretty noticeable in the sky. You can see it a lot better. He really likes it. Just another one to add to my collection of paint schemes that I've done throughout the years, and hopefully I'll be able to do some more. I've got another one coming soon that you will get a kick out of, I think. So everyone just sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
All right, rolling.
Good.
Uh-huh.
I am thoroughly convinced that this EC1500 could very well be one of your very first airplanes that you ever buy, if not your first airplane. It really is that easy to fly, especially if you're a newer pilot and you're using safe. You can obviously use that to help you out as you learn, but it's such a stable flyer. It's just predictable. It's agile. I've seen people hovering this over the runway. You can put skis on it and take off the snow. It's got a cargo bay door for fun, just dropping things off the back if you want. It's just an everyday flyer that you can bring to the field. The wings come off, so it's easy for transporting. So it's just a really fun plane.
Yeah, that was a good one. Give me another one of those.
So JC and I have been coming out to the field and just trying different ways to fly our aircraft, and we've been kind of doing this pass where we come down and try to split down through this tree opening down here and just do a pass across the runway. And we're just working on trying to get some cool shots on it, so that's why we keep doing this one over and over, but it is pretty fun to do.
Maybe one more if you don't mind.
One more of those guys, fellas.
Go ahead. Nice, that was a good one.
As I said, if you're just looking for an easy day at the field, flying a plane that you know you can rely on, that's not going to be a hassle and it's not going to drive your nerves crazy until the moment you land, this would definitely be a good choice. It's just, like I said, all around just a stable, fun plane to fly.
Another low pass, right, left. Cargo bay door down.
Okay, you're hung up.
JC's easily getting 5 to 7 minutes, and you could possibly get more if you're kind of leisurely flying around. But he was doing some faster passes, so maybe the time will be a little bit less. But I bet you if you're just leisurely flying around, you can definitely get, you know, between 5 to 7 minutes, maybe even more.
Wind's picking up a little bit.
Well, that'll do it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed the flight. If you have any questions about the EC1500 or the paint scheme that I did on it, please leave it in the comments below. I answer all of them. I get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mountain RC.